Assalamualaikum and hello to all the evaluator. My name is Nur Shamimi Izati binti Ahmad Zaki. My metric number is S48401 and my supervisor is Dr. Wan Nurul Nadia binti Warasti. Today I will present about my final year project entitled The Effect of Enriched Artemia on Growth, Nutritional Composition and Survival Performance of M.rosenbergii, which is giant freshwater prawn. Artemia are listed as one of the best live feed for fish and shellfish. It is also rich in nutrition which contain 40 to 60% crude protein, 14 to 15% carbohydrate and 13 to 19% of fat. It is also easy to feed the Artemia as the organic byproduct and the green water already been the source of the Artemia, food source of the Artemia culture. They also can tolerate up to 50% salt concentration. The next one is M. rosenbergii. M. rosenbergii are most popular macrobrachium species in aquaculture industries. These prawns are capable in digesting a wide range of food that include plant and animal. It also contains high protein content, which is 68.27% and 8.44% for lipid content. There are 4 types of dietary enrichment that are used in this project, which is isochrysis that act as the control, fishbone, palm kernel cake or PKC, and the green mustard. Isochrysis is known as the brown marine algae, while for fishbone high in calcium, and the calcium are required for bone development in the fish. The next one is PKC. PKC is widely used as the substitute product for the protein meal. PKC is also a byproduct from the extraction of the palm kernel. The last one is green mustard. The nutrition content in green mustard is 28.76 grams of fat, 24.94 gram of protein and 469 cal of food energy in 100 gram of green mustard. The problem statement in this project is incomplete and inconsistent the chain composition of Artemia. The production that cost that only include feeding and the fertilizer already cost 30% and difficult to enhance the microalgae growth rate. The objective of this project is to identify the best enrichment of Artemia by growth, nutritional composition, survival performance, and the survival performance of M. rosenbergii. This is the mature and method. The enrichment is isochrysis, fishbone, green mustard, and the PKC. All of this dietary will be fed on the Artemia. Each of the diet has 3 replicates of Artemia. The Artemia then undergoes the laboratory test, which is lipid analysis and protein analysis. Besides being tested on the laboratory test, the Artemia also will be fed on the PL of M. rosenbergii, and then the PL M. rosenbergii will undergo the same process, which is protein and lipid analysis, and they also will be recorded the growth and survival. The result. The first result is about the survival rate. As you can see based on this graph, the PL that being fed with Artemia enriched fishbone achieves the best survival rate than the others. But as you notice, there is not too much differences between this diet. This is because Arshad et al. 2007 used to state that the differences in the survival rate might not be because of the meal, but because of the cannibalistic behavior of the PL. Next result is about the SGR. Based on this graph, it clearly showed that PL that enriched with Artemia fishbone has the highest specific growth rate. This is because Yang et al. 2004 has stated that bone is a good protein source, and they also contain calcium, phosphorus, and trace vitamin, which is very essential for the optimum growth of the fish and the crustacean. Next is proximate analysis of the M. rosenbergii. The result also same, which is the proximate analysis of PL that enriched with fishbone has the highest protein and lipid content. So the last result is about the proximate analysis of Artemia. Based on this both graph, it is clearly shown that protein content and lipid content in the Artemia and fish bone has the highest protein and lipid content. Researcher Lim et al. 2010 used to state 15% and lower protein content can cause the mortality of the prawn during the rearing, but too high protein content also can inhibit growth of the prawn. Freshwater prawn also only needs 6% to 10% of lipid that in the diet contain. More lipid can cause the reduction in the growth of the lipid. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, I can say that M.rosenbergii rosenbergii fed with Artemia enriched fish bone has the highest nutrition in body composition, including in survival rate and SGR, while the lowest one is the M.rosenbergii rosenbergii that fed with Artemia enriched PKC. But these two diets have the same benefit, which is they can help in reducing cost of feeding of the culture. So this is the reference. So that's all from me. Thank you.